Watch this video for information about performance testing on regulated or CMMI projects. Experience shows that the 12 activities on the left are common to successful performance testing projects conducted in regulated or CMMI environments. These activities represent a foundation to build a structured performance testing approach that tends to be appropriate for highly structured environments where regulatory compliance or significant auditability requirements exist. The key to this approach is to plan at the work item level and to fit those work items into the existing plan for accomplishing the project, as opposed to morphing the project plan around the performance testing effort. The first three of these activities tend to be conducted early in the project before there is a system prepared for performance testing. These activities include understanding the process and compliance criteria, understanding the system and the project plan, and understanding the performance acceptance criteria. In a regulated environment, the information from these activities is critical to creating a project plan and designing your performance tests. With an understanding of why we're performance testing and what criteria the application needs to achieve, now it's time to plan and prepare to conduct tests. Planning and preparing involves plan the performance testing activities, designing the tests, and configuring the test environment. Each of these activities are necessary before any actual testing can begin. Now we can start implementing and executing our actual tests. Three main activities in implementation and execution include implementing the test design, executing work items, which are your tests, and reporting results and archiving data. In regulated or auditable environments, archiving data is one of the most important aspects of the testing effort. Once we begin receiving results, we'll need to compare those results with our expectations and determine if modifications to the plan are required. Unless we've completed our final performance test, we'll need to loop back to step 5 to ensure that the preparations are in place to conduct our next test or work item. Finally, after we have conducted our final performance test, we'll need to prepare our final report, which again, in a regulatory or auditable environment, is a very important activity. To review, performance testing in regulated, auditable, or CMMI environments entails managing the process in a highly planned and monitored environment. This type of performance testing is particularly challenging because it's frequently impossible to conduct the next planned activity until you know the results from the previous activity. The key to managing performance testing in such environments is to map work items to the project plan and then add details to the plan, as opposed to planning around performance testing. For more information, you can see performance testing guidance on CodePlex, or review the Performance Testing Guidance for Web Applications Guide, also on CodePlex.